Alright, it is J9, no, just kidding, day 9, and we are off to the Great Divide today. But first we gotta stock up on some supplies, and that's what we're gonna do in Banff. I'm already a little late, and checkout was like 2 minutes ago or something, so I gotta hurry down before someone gets angry.
Wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. If you could have the money and the fame, have a couple planes in your name, or popping a champagne, would you buy a big house and a couple of whips?
That's a big hotel.
Closet of kicks, I'd have every Jordan ever made, so every day I could have a different pair. I wanted to be displayed, I would have my bed 10 times bigger than me in Hawaiian punch.
Let's get this shit started! Alright, we're now leaving the asphalt, so yeah, here we go. This is what we've been waiting for a couple of weeks now. Tourism just stopped like this. We saw 2 bikers and 2 hikers from now. But yeah, we left the parking spot for the huge hotel there, and it was silent. You can hear the water down there, but that's it. Like 2 kilometers in that way, it's crowded with people and you can't get through, and life's a hell. But out here, like just a tiny bit further and you're completely out of it. It's crazy and it's so beautiful. Alright, let's get this shit started. I think we already started it, but whatever, I'm excited.
Working for that jet life, go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet
life. Guess these hills are part of the experience, huh? Downhill, yeah! Finally! I have no idea where my group is. I'm a couple of kilometers ahead, I believe. I've been waiting for a quarter of an hour. But yeah, shouldn't be too far. I think I'm about halfway to today's goal. Yeah, I got good music. I got a playlist named Happy. And I'm in a really good mood. So, weather's great. And we're on the Great Divide. Isn't that beautiful?
I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. See, I'm talking about that jet life. I be working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on that one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Yeah, I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life.
So some bikers just came down there and told us they just saw a bear like 500 meters up. We're a little bit on caution now after that whole wolf thing. But yeah, we got our bear spray and we're gonna be a little bit careful and hopefully, I don't know, hopefully we'll see it in the distance, but not any closer than that. Alright, let's I'll check in if we're safe. No bears so far. Nice. Pretty sure that's bear poo, and it looks kind of fresh. So this is the trail here. It's really narrow and perfect. So a big part of the road sometimes look like this, and it's really hard to get by here. It looks beautiful down there, but this...
Could you buy a big house and a couple of whips and cash a couple of your chips for a closet of kicks? I'd have every Jordan ever made, so every day I could have a different pair. I wanted to be displayed. I would have my bed 10 times bigger than me. And Hawaiian
that looks like an eagle nest, actually. And that looks like a mountain. And that looks like bad weather.
House for the guys with me up in Shy City where we sit in sky pretty. I'm just trying to catch a flight and make it in time. You could say I got a fly state of mind. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA and back on the one night, trying to catch a flight.
That's too big for a dog paw. Yeah, that's huge.
Go to LA and back on the one night, trying to catch a flight. I'm just working for that jet life. I'm talking about that jet life. I be working for that jet life. Go to LA and back on that one night.
So yeah, this is the Great Divide. Also, this is the scenes you don't see. Got a nosebleed, had to stop for a quarter hour, didn't stop. But yeah, that's the thing you don't usually see in a vlog because I left the whole place back there with blood. Yeah, this trail is tiny. We'll clean it up later. We just haven't found a source of water yet and we don't want to waste our drinking water for that. Oh, this is the road. So for one thing it's bad because obvious reasons, but another, I can finally get all washed up. So.
Harvard made, sexy made, yes. And I got places to be and seen in some magazine, rolling in a limousine. I got people to do, a couple things to see. Kick it at a mansion, partying with Charlie Sheen. I'd hit the studio with Kanye. Make a couple hits while we sipping Bombay. Make another trip to kick it with Dr. Dre. Then get hella jet lag from flying the whole day.
So we found a campground. It's 5 kilometers long and it's really full. So I've biked along about 2.5 kilometers now, and I think I found one where the occupied card isn't filled out. So I think that it isn't reserved, so just not taken. I'll place my stuff here and head back to see if my parents made it. Yeah, the hassle of finding a tent site here. That's how we sterilize the water. That's a SteriPen. And that's supposed to make it, I don't know, that's UV light, and that's supposed to make it cleaner. So yeah, we could stay there. We cooked some dinner, befriended our Canadian neighbors, and yeah, we have this awesome access to the lake here. Apart from some screaming children, it's pretty peaceful down here. And yeah, scenery as usual is amazing. Yeah, we might not get as far tomorrow. Should be more of a resting day. We'll pedal some kilometers, but maybe not as many as today. And yeah, we laid up a loose planning for the amount of days left. So yeah, we should get to Roosevelt. That's on the border to the US, to Montana. Never actually been to Montana before, so that will be a first. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. It was an awesome first day here on the Great Divide, and I really hope it will be more awesome days coming forward. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. What the hell is that? That's gotta be at least 10-20 meters long. What is that?